This is not good. We just lost Potter cause of the lightning. Happened twice. It's like psh, psh, like that. Hit the refrigerator, right? You know what happened? No light. God damn it. We just watched Potter. Yeah, I mean, we just watched Potter. This is a fun. The hell? Rain's getting heavy. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Wow, it's quiet. Wow, it's quiet. The lightning just hit something. It's not severe. Shit, my battery's about to go dead. I don't have extra batteries. Damn, look across the street. Across the street got electricity still, but not here. Oh yeah, all more Sheridan did not have electricity. The power goes out, the more Sheridan don't. Oh, they work on the road down here. I need a glass of water there. Just a couple thunders, boom, a kaboom. That's all I heard, a kaboom. And that's all it takes to knock electricity out. Just a kaboom. Well, it'll take a while, but there you go. The power's back on. Ouch. Ah, there we go. We got power now. There we go. Now we got power. It was just a tiny power outage. Why that? Wow. Well, I don't know why the microwave clock is not reset, but it happens. Wow, sometimes this microwave clock don't reset. Wow. That's not good. Stay tuned for more updates.